This is a general guide, and your installation may vary. For more information, consult the installation manual that's shipped with your merchandiser. Condensing units on endless cases require 230-volt single-phase power. To wire a semi-self-contained endless case, start by removing the electrical compartment cover from the condensing unit. You'll typically find 4 wires: red, black, blue, and green coming from the case's electrical box. Connect the red and black wires to the T1 and T2 positions on the contactor, while the blue wire connects to the resistor. The green wire connects to the ground lug. The supply voltage wiring must be connected to a disconnect box on top of the case. The box type may vary and is supplied by the customer. Since disconnect methods vary, always verify voltages before startup. Refer to the wiring diagrams provided with your case for detailed guidance. Once the wiring is complete, reinstall the electrical compartment cover on the condensing unit. Then, install the sound damper insulation over the condensing unit and mount the balloon catchers on all condensers. Thank you for watching our installation guide for Masterbuilt semi-self-contained endless merchandisers. For more resources or assistance, visit our website or call us. We're here to help.